Hi, good afternoon. I'm Roxanne Joyce Guerrero and my topic is Employees Reward and Recognitions. Rewards is generally a tangible gift given to an employee from their manager or the executive team to celebrate something they accomplish with a context. Having a good reward system helps keep employees happy, loyal to the company, and eager to move up the ladder. Rewards, like public recognition and additional pay, motivate employees to work harder. While recognitions is personal praise or gratitude for good work and can be given by anyone at the company at any time. Recognition helps employees to see that their company values them and their contribution to the success of their team and the company overall. This is particularly key when organizations grow or change. It helps employees to build a sense of security in their value to the company, motivating them to continue great work. Reward and recognition programs are one method of motivating employees to change work habits and key behaviors to benefit your business. The rewards and recognition can prove to be extremely beneficial to keep your employees motivated to perform extraordinary, achieve the targets, and stick to the organizations. One of the best examples is the McDonald's restaurant. The McDonald's restaurant provide recognition for their employees, not only for their crew but also for their supervisors and managers. The employees who have performed well during the month are also rewarded as an Employee of the Month. The crew recognition program of McDonald's is provided under the store level to reward crew members who have shown a high performance to the restaurant during their shifts. Establishing and implementing reward system needs carefully analysis of the company policies and procedures. Deciding how to recognize employees' efforts and what to provide them requires true analysis of responsibilities and risk involved in a particular job. Reward system of an organization should also alignment with its goals, mission, and vision. Depending upon the job profile, both monetary and non-monetary rewards can encourage employees to contribute more to the organization. When we say monetary rewards, it is a raise in salary, incentives, movie tickets, vacation trips, monetary allowance on special occasions, redeemable coupons, cash bonuses, gift certificates, stock rewards, free or discounted health checkups for entire family, and school tuition fees for employees' children fall in this category. Monetary rewards are also expected of the employees from your company. By the use of this, you could retain employees for longer. Increasing monetary incentives over time will help you retain your most experienced employees. If your highest performing team members feels financially taken care of by your company, they're much less likely to look for work elsewhere. And also, money speaks louder than most perks. It is true that if you offer better monetary incentives than those commonly available in your industry, you're likely to attract some of the best and brightest employees which can beat out the other companies who have unique or quirky perks. The non-monetary rewards may include trophies, certificates, letters of appreciation, dinner with boss, redecoration of employees' cabin, membership of recreation clubs, perks, use of company facilities, suggestion awards, tie pins, brooches, diaries, promotions, say in management, and etc. Many of these incentives are inexpensive. You could spend a fortune on in-office movie theater, but for most part, non-monetary incentives can be implemented with very low price tag. But non-monetary incentives can be an organizational nightmare. If you aren't in love with your HR and accounting staff, you'll want to get those teams into shape before taking on a whole host of non-monetary incentives. Recognizing employees on the basis of their performance is also the fairest way to acknowledge their efforts. Moreover, it acts as an element of motivation for others to give their best and earn the title. Appreciation and recognitions are major factors that motivate employees to work harder and aim higher. By applauding employees for their achievements in front of colleagues, it stimulates everyone to work harder. Providing positive recognition of an accomplishment serves to raise individual self-esteem, reinforce their value to the organization, improve their self-image, and encourage them to accomplish even greater results in the future.